Hi friends, today we are going to learn about what is LINQ in C Sharp. LINQ, language integrated query in C Sharp is a set of, just a second, is a set of methods and syntax that allow developers to query collections of data such as arrays, lists, databases, and XML documents, etc. in a declarative way. LINQ integrates query capabilities directly into C# language, providing a uniform and concise way to work with different types of data sources. LINQ makes it easier to manipulate and query data in collections using more readable and maintainable syntax than traditional approaches. It can work with various data sources including in-memory collection, example arrays and lists, databases via LINQ to SQL or entity framework, XML via LINQ to XML, other data sources like LINQ to objects, LINQ to entities. Key features of LINQ: declarative syntax. LINQ queries allow you to express what you want to retrieve rather than how to retrieve it. Strong typing. LINQ queries are checked at compile time and reducing runtime errors. Integration. LINQ is integrated into the C# language itself, making it easy to write queries directly in code. Flexibility. LINQ can be used with different data sources, objects, databases, XML, etc., which makes it highly versatile. Readability. LINQ provides a cleaner, more readable syntax for performing complex data operations. Types of LINQ. There are different types of LINQ, each of which is used for specific data sources. LINQ to objects. Queries in memory collections like arrays, lists, any enumerable. LINQ to SQL. Queries as a SQL server database. LINQ to entities. Queries database using entity framework. LINQ to XML. Queries and manipulates XML data. LINQ to data set. Queries data stored in a data set. Basic syntax. LINQ queries can be written in two ways. One is query syntax similar to SQL, and second one is method syntax using LINQ extension methods. Example. Look at here, we have a query syntax, SQL like syntax. This syntax is similar to SQL and is intuitive for those familiar with SQL. For example, here we have a from person in people where person.age greater than 30, order by person.name, select person. Here people is a real object and we given as a alias name for person. Now next we see method syntax using extension methods. This syntax is based on LINQ extensions methods like where, select, order by, etc. Now we can see the query people.where p dot p lambda p dot age greater than 30, order by p dot name, select p lambda p. Now LINQ methods. LINQ provides a rich set of extension methods for querying and manipulating data. Here are some of the most common ones. The where method filters a collection based on a condition. Select projects each element of collection into a new form. Order by descending sorts a collection in ascending or descending order. Group by groups elements based on a key. Join joins two collections based on a key. Aggregate performs a cumulative operations on a collection. Example sum, count. First or default returns the first element of a collection. And any checks if any element in the collection satisfy a condition. All checks if all elements in the collection satisfy condition. Now we will see those in example. Look at here. Here we have a class name called person. We have a two properties. One is name, which is a data type of string, and the next one is age, which is a data type of int. In the main method, I have assigned a data using anonymous methods. Like, see, in the list of person objects, I have assigned the first object is name is alias, age is 25. The second object is name is Bob's, age is 35, and third object is name is Charlie, age is 30, and the fourth object is name is David, age is 40. Now we have a list of people. Now we'll write two queries. One is LINQ query and the second one is method syntax. First, here the people, we have a people, it is from person in P. See, this person alias name to people, from where person dot age greater than 30, we are giving a condition order by person dot name and select person. This query results, will see that. And for using LINQ method syntax, it is very simple. People dot where p dot p lambda p dot age greater than 30 order by p lambda p dot name to list. Now when we print this console and query syntax person, see, this is the result query syntax in person. We'll see the output, and the next one is result method syntax. This is the one. Now we'll run the program. We'll see the output. I have started. Program is running. See, look at here. The first result query syntax is Bob 35, David 40, and the second one is also method syntax, which is a result of Bob 35, David is 40. So this is the output for LINQ queries. Now we'll go with slides. Advantages of LINQ. Simplified querying. LINQ makes querying complex data sources easier and more intuitive. Strongly typed. Queries are checked at compile time, which prevents runtime errors. Less code. LINQ reduces the amount of code needed to perform complex queries. Readability. LINQ queries are often more readable and maintainable compared to traditional loop-based queries. Multiple data sources. LINQ provides a unified query syntax that works with various data sources, example collections, XML, database. Now we will see disadvantages of LINQ. Performance overhead. LINQ can introduce performance overhead, especially with complex queries and large data sets. Learning curve. Although LINQ is powerful, its syntax and methods can be challenging for beginners. Limited to .NET. LINQ is primarily a .NET feature, so it's not available in all programming environments. Thank you.